how to buy PSX token. So before we start, this is not financial advice, not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, make sure to check their community also. As you can see, they have 147 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. As you can see, this token trends in number 5 in the base section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon and now paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is token, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called PSX. So after you find it, what you need to do is just click on it. And now click here on swap, switch from here. And from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And this is how much you will be able to receive. So as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, please select a different token. Now, as you can see, so if you can't be able to buy this token on your wallet, what you need to do, just close this window. And now we will go to Uniswap. Now go to Uniswap like that, as you can see. After that, now wait a few seconds to be able to find the Uniswap, as you can see. So you can access it via here. So I will just click on Uniswap interface. Now wait a few seconds to load the Uniswap page to be able to buy this token. Now, first of all, what you need to do, I will just connect my wallet. Now click on connect and now click on other wallets. So if you don't have this one, now after that, I will select the Bitget wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, as you can see, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, as you can see, if you don't see your token here in the bottom, as you can see, now go back to the screener on this token page. And now you can copy the token address from here by clicking here. Now go back to Uniswap and click here and make sure to select the basis section from here, as you can see. So after you select it, now you can paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this our token. Now click on it and now click on continue if you are ready to go. So as you can see, now here you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will select here the USDT like that. I will search for it. So after you find it, as you can see, you can select the Tether USDT. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Just wait a few seconds to be able to because I don't have any funds, I won't be able to see here how much. So for you will be able to see here swap. Now after you click on it, a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PSX token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.